Next topic is application of the principle of optimality to decision making. Okay, see here they have given example that is for the single optimal decision with the optimality principle. Consider here in the figure A. See here we have to considering the state at point B. We have to considering the state B. From this is the what initial state we have to consider B. This is the what F is the what here final destination, final point F. We have to consider the path from B to F. Okay, see here there are three paths are available in the figure A. We can consider in B to C, then C to F, or B to D, D to F, or B to E, E to F. Okay, see here we have to consider only initial state at B state we have to consider, right? If you considering B to C or B to D or B to E, these are the what initial segments. Okay, these are the initial segment we have to considering here, initial segments. And then C to F, D to F, E to F, these are the what terminal segments. Okay, these are the what initial segments, these are the what terminal segment. For the initial segment, don't take J star, only J, B, C. Why it is only J, B, C? See here, if you considering from B to C, there is a only one decision is there here. There is no other than one decision here. 2, 3, 4, 5 like this paths are there. But considering one minimum cost, okay, there we have to considering star. Only one decision is there, only one segment is there from B to C. Don't considering star here, only J, B, C. The performance measure from B to C, that is indicated J, B, C. Okay, then B to F. Okay, sorry, C to F, or it may be D to F. Okay, or it may be E to F. Okay, there are so many paths are available rather than the one segment, so we can consider one minimum, that is we have to indicate it by the star. Okay, that is minimum performance measure J star. Okay, see in the figure B they have shown here optimal paths. Okay, if you considering path B here, the initial cost from B to F, cost from B to F is equal to what? JBC plus J star CF. Okay, then path from through the point D. Okay, therefore cost BDF is equal to JBD plus J star DF. Okay, then path cost from B through the E to final point F. Okay, cost from BEF is equal to initial segment without star JBE, then J star CF. These are the what cost from at the state B. Okay, these are the what initial segment, these are the what terminal segment. Okay, it may be from this to here, then through this path or through this path. But considering three costs from the three optimal paths. Okay, they have written here the formulas, three cost through the three optimal paths. But in this topic we are not yet concluded which one is the best for our problem, which one is the best for our path, that is which one is the initial minimum cost. Only we have to shown here the cost through the paths. Three paths are there, so there are three costs are there. Okay, then the minimum the dynamic program, it is a computational technique which extend the above decision making concept, that is so many sequences of decisions are there here, right, which together define an optimal policy, and it is a trajectory. Then which one is the best, which one is the minimum, we have to considering, we have to how to find that one, we have to discuss in the next topic, that is routing problem. Okay.